Guys, today I'll be teaching you about basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. This is one of the most important theorem. This is frequently asked question, okay, in board. So what the theorem says is if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides. Suppose a triangle is drawn. I'll draw a triangle and name it as ABC. A line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. One side of a triangle. Suppose that one side is this triangle. BC is that one side. So one line is drawn parallel to BC. Name it as DE. DE. Okay. And intersect the other two sides. Intersect the other two sides. Which are the other two sides? AB and AC. These are the other two sides. So what he's saying is it is intersecting the other two sides. And at distant point is nothing but different points. Then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So what is he asking us to prove is you will have to prove that. So I'll write to prove. To prove first. I'll write to prove. To prove is you say other two sides are divided in same ratio. They are divided in same ratio is AB and AC are divided in the same ratio, which means that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is what is to be proved. So what is given here? What is given in the question is in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC, which means AB at which intersects, you can write, which intersects AB at D and AC at E. Okay, now you have construction in this. So construction is join DC and BE. So you'll have to join this DC and BE, you will have to join and draw. You see, you can draw from here. You will have to draw perpendicular line. Suppose name this as N and this is N. Draw DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB. This is what you will have to draw. Okay. So this is construction you will have to do of your own. This won't be given in the question or in the theorem, the statement of the theorem. Okay. Now we'll start proving. Proof. Okay. So what you will have to do is first take this small triangle. This small triangle you will have to take. Okay. Just adjust because I don't have a scale here. So you see, what we'll do is taking triangle, that triangle and this triangle. These two triangle you have to take. Okay. So you write that taking triangle. First we will have to take taking triangle ADE. Huh? Area of triangle ADE is equal to, what is area of triangle? Area of triangle is half base into height. Base into height. Which is base here? AD is the base into which is height here. DM is the height. Or you can take, first we'll take this one. First what we'll take is uh, EN. EN is the height. Yeah. Now what you will have to do is, okay, half base into height you've put, no? Now again, take this triangle. Which triangle? DBE. Area of triangle DBE. What is area of triangle into height? Which is half. What is the base here? Base is DE, DB, sorry, DB into, what is the height here? The height is this, again, the height is this. Why? Because this is an obtuse angle triangle. DBE is an obtuse angle triangle. In an obtuse angle triangle, where will the height be? Height is the obtuse angle triangle is this. Where will the height be? Height will be somewhere outside the triangle, because height is always perpendicular line, no? Height is always perpendicular line. So height is outside the triangle. Similarly, this is not right angle triangle. This is obtuse angle triangle, because this is not a straight line, you see. This is not a 90-degree, you see. No? So this is an obtuse angle triangle. The height of obtuse angle triangle is always outside the triangle. So this again is the height. So En is the height. En is the height. Okay, understood. Why En is again taken. Okay. Now what you would have to do is ratio of these two triangles. Find the ratio of these two triangles. This is one, this is two. Ratio of 1 and 2. So what is the ratio? Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE is equal to half into AD into EN by half into DB into EN. Now you can cancel both. So what will you get? AD by DB or BD, whatever it is. Huh? Okay. Now the same thing you will have to do with this triangle also. Now we'll take these two triangles. We'll take which two triangles? Again this triangle. Okay. Again this triangle and this triangle. This triangle. So how will you write it? ADE. Now taking triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE. What is area of triangle? Again, half into base into height. Here, half into, what will the base be? Base is AE this time, because we are taking this triangle, no? So you will have to take AE as the base. AE into, what will the height be? Height is DM. DM is the height. DM, half base into height. For triangle DEC. DEC. This for triangle DEC. For this triangle, what is the area? Area of triangle DEC is again half into base into height, which is nothing but half into EC. Okay, half into EC into what will the height be? Height will again be DM, as I told you earlier. No? Okay. Now, ratio of these two triangles. Ratio of, take this as 3 here. This is 4 and this is 5. Ratio of 4 and 5. So what will it be? Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC is equal to half into AE into DM by half into EC into DM. Now cancel both. What you get is AE by EC. Take this as 6. Okay, you'll have to take this as 6. Now what you will have to do is triangle. I'll show you in some other this one, this color. Now triangle, this triangle and this triangle. These two triangles are on the same base DE. They are on the same base DE, no? So what we can write is DBE and DEC. D triangle, triangle DBE and triangle DEC. No? So check if I'm right. DBE, DBE and DEC, DEC. They are on the same base, are on the same base. Same base what? DE. On the same base DE and between same parallels. Parallels DE and BC. DE and BC. They are on the same. Therefore, their areas are equal. Therefore, their areas are equal. So, area of DBE and area of DCE. Okay, these two triangles, what you can write is therefore their areas are equal, which implies area of triangle DBE is equal to area of triangle DEC. Okay, now what you can do is taking these two equations, which two equations 5 and 6. No, not sorry, taking these two equations 3 and 6, not 5, 3 and 6. Comparing equations 3 and 6. What you get from 3? 3 is area of, or what you can do is, don't compare it now. Okay. What you can do is sixth one, no? This is sixth one. from equation 6. From equation 6, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC can be written as DBE. No, because DEC is equal to DBE, no? So in place of DEC, I can write DBE is equal to AE by EC. This will be 7. Okay, understood. Instead of this, all others are same. Instead of this, what I'm writing? Instead of this area of triangle DEC, I'm writing area of DBE. Why? Because I've already proved that this area is equal to this area. So in place of this, I can write this. No? So this, you take this as 7. Now what you can do is comparing 3 and 7. Okay, comparing 3 and 7. What you get from 3 and 7? What is 3 saying? 3 is saying that 3. What is 3 saying? 3 saying area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE is equal to AD by BD. No? So you can write here. Both LHS are equal. You can say both LHS is equal to LHS. You can say 3 and 7. Both LHS are same. Therefore, RHS is equal to RHS, which implies AD by BD, AD by BD is equal to AE by C. Okay, understood? Okay, clear. So this is what is to prove. This is what is to prove. So it is okay. Thank you guys. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.